Standard.
Hey friends! Welcome back to Skylar's channel. Ow! Okay, today we have an unboxing that we're gonna do. I bought a white backdrop to take pictures in, so we're gonna cut this thing open. But before we go any further, you wanna get back?
Yeah.
Make sure you are subscribed to Skylar's channel. Hit the button down below and make sure you give this video a like. Let's get into it. But before we get into it, we have a special guest, my good friend Ashanti, aka I Spy Fashion. Make sure you check her out on Instagram and check out her channel. She has affordable fashion, tips and tricks, hair, all of the above. So give her a check. We're gonna get this poppin'. Pop. Alright, wait a second. So, they sent this big old box for this little old thing in there.
Come on, son.
Skylar, can you believe it?
Yes.
You can't. I just bought the backdrop. I didn't buy the stands because that's just something else to build every time I want to take pictures. So we're going to try... I think Shameless Maya recommended tacking it to the wall and just using the clamps. So we got some clamps to clamp it. I believe this is 4 feet wide, 16 feet long. So we got the clamp so that it doesn't like roll out of control, but we're gonna try tacking it to the wall and then rolling it out and seeing how that goes. Let's see how it goes.
Standard. Okay, it's up. This is me standing in front of it. Definitely feel like using the tacks is way easier for me than having the stands and building the stands and hooking this up to it every single time. So I think this is the method I'm going to use for a while, especially space-wise. So I like this. We're about to test it out, see how the pictures come out. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned. And thank you for subscribing. Do you want to say bye-bye to your friends? You don't want to say bye-bye? Go ahead.
Bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.